taken to the off. And hopefully I turned my head in time to... All right. Camera settings, take one. Let's learn how to use this camera. Right now I'm not concerned about looking down at the plane. I'm just trying to figure out what settings is best to get the plane in the shot and get it, capture the best, where it's not just a little dot flying around out there, which is completely possible. Get you guys out of the sun, I know that. I know there's nothing I can do about that. So we're going to try a bunch of different settings. I'm going to do a couple laps and then do a stall turn and then land it and then try a different setting. And I'm going to mention what setting it is before I start each video. So when I get back and watch it, I'll know what setting was the best. I might have to do this several times in a row. Right now, we're on the easy mode, 16 to 24 linear, and the setting to conserve the battery the most. So this is like the lowest quality video. So, taken to the off. And hopefully I turned my head in time to catch the plane taking off and all that stuff. Hopefully I'm looking up high enough. With my other camera, I would catch myself filming the pavement or the sky. So it's all learning. $500 on my head right now versus 180 or something the other one was. Maybe a little less, maybe 150. This is the GoPro 11, which is the biggest and best GoPro they have out. The GoPro Hero. It's not the Mini, it's the Hero. You know, the biggest and baddest thing out there was the GoPro 10. Now I've got the 11. This thing has features in it that I will probably never use and never know how to use. And the camera is just part of the tools. The editing software that comes with the camera for a year can make this do so much more. You know, I can I'm sure I can zoom in and freeze things and slow down shots and speed up shots. And I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff you can do in the editing software that can't be done on a computer, can only be done on a tablet or Android device. So I don't know if I'm going to explore that right now or not. All right, stall turn and then land, and we change the settings. And kick the rudder. Yep. One more stall turn. Get right behind here. No, that was more of a kind of a backward stall turn. I tell you what, we'll do the Griffin RC flip flop and see if we can get it pointed right back to us. I've got 7 batteries with me, and we got an hour and a half before dark, so we're golden. Both of them together. Oh, that was more of a I think we nailed the cornhole. All right, let's land it and change the settings. And it was a good landing. Alright, we just changed the lens to wide, leaving it on all the other settings. Wipe my glasses off. Alright, taking off from the left to the right. 0 wind. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. The gray part of the plane disappeared in the gray clouds right there. All right, let's keep it close to us for a little bit. Bug on my neck, I had to slap. When I go over here to the grass, all the mosquitoes and everything else, I got some bug spray on my legs, which is working. Transmitter was beeping at us. Alright, we're going to land it and change camera settings and apply bug spray on a t-shirt.
If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away. At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying.